What's up, YouTube? Today's video will be all about fidgets, as you can see about the title. I have more fidgets. It's just out there at my mom's house. I have a light up one. Yeah, I have a light up one. It's not here right now. I just came from my mom's like this morning. My brother picked me up from my mom's house and dropped me off at school. But yeah, as you can see at the title, it's all about fidgets. You have this blue and black fidget. I think it's pretty cool. Hold on, look how it spins. Like, spins very, very, very smooth. It doesn't shake nothing. But unlike this, like, you see how loud it is, and like it's not. Like, it's just, I like this one. This one's the smoothest, as you, hold on. I'm gonna show you some of the fast. Let's see. We got all of them spinning. Look. It's not making noise just like these. You don't hear nothing, right? But look. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on. You can hear that. And nothing else is spinning. Look how loud it is. Now this is spinning. Look how loud it is. Now this is spinning. Look how loud it is. Like, they're all really loud except for like this one, and my light up one is not loud like the. It's just probably because these are metal or something. This one's metal too. It's just very smooth. And my light up one, I love that one. You can pick the colors which you want to go on. But yeah, hi Harley. You're in the vlog. Video. So yeah, I like this one. It's pretty cool, as you can see. The color. I like this color. This is all gold. Rose gold and stuff. Rose gold and just regular gold is broken. But yeah, my light up ones at my mom's house, my Batman ones at my mom's house. I couldn't find them. I just woke up today and just put these in my pocket and just left. Yeah. But yeah, these are fidgets, cool fidgets. I'll make another video about fidgets, and I'm gonna have all my fidgets in it. As you can see, go check out my video. What's it called? You're gonna have to go on my channel because it's not really when you look it up. Yeah. It's another one about fidgets, and I have a lot of fidgets there. As you can see, my Batman one and my light up ones in it. It's called Lit Fidgets and Crying Baby, but it won't come up if you just look that up. You have to go on my channel. Alright, bye YouTube. I just wanted to show you my fidgets. I think they're pretty cool. Alright, bye.